Hmm.
I'm Aisha. I study in class 9. Hello, I am Sufi Rani. I study class 6.
Hello, I am Jannatul. I study class in 6.
Hello, I am Neha. I study in class 9.
Hello, I am Maureen Fatih Rosa. I study in class 6.
Hello, I'm Tukimone and I study in class 7.
Hello,
I am Sarnata Sarma. I study in class 9.
hello, I am Nusrat. I study in class 6.
Hello, I am Nusrat. I study in class 6.
Hello, I am Sharma.
I study in class 7. Hello, I am Asha. I study in class 2.
Hello, I am Shiloti. I study in class 9.